Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use styles in Canva. This is a quick way to apply coordinated colors, fonts, and design elements to make our projects look more professional. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, to use styles, we first need to add some text. Here, we type sample text, place it on the canvas, and then copy and paste it below. Now let's change this second text block to something different. We paste it here, and this gives us two text elements to work with. If we want to use different styles, we can see that each text block has its own style. Let's choose a color to apply to one of them. Now we have a third text block with a different style as well, so we now have three text elements, each with a different look. The colors and fonts are all different across these three elements. Now, if we want to match the styles, all we need to do is select the element with the style we like. Click on it and copy its style. Once we have copied the style, we simply click on the element we want to apply it to. As we can see, it will instantly take on that same style. We can do the same for the other element. Paste the style here, and now they all match. With this feature, we can quickly apply consistent styles across our entire design. It saves time and makes sure our colors, fonts, and visuals all work together. And that's how we use styles in Canva. With this simple tool, we can create beautiful, consistent designs in just a few clicks.